How does this fit into the broader rescue plan?
So I think First Republic, which reported earnings yesterday that were very disappointing for analysts, I think it really shows that while the crisis for many other regional lenders appears to have abated somewhat, for First Republic it is very much still looming incredibly large. Now, it reported earnings today showing that deposits had dropped more than analysts expected, and then today we reported that it is trying to sell up to 100 billion of assets in long-dated mortgages and other securities, which is part of an effort to shrink its balance sheet effectively. And the goal here is most likely to make the bank a bit smaller and potentially more palatable for an outside investor to come in and purchase it or purchase a stake, which it would probably need to do along with some form of government intervention in order for the bank to keep operating. So a lot of the measures it's taking, they're aimed at trying to salvage itself from this turmoil by making itself smaller and a little bit more palatable for an external investor.
So in terms of selling to an external investor, Sally, who could potential buyers be?
Well, I think all big banks and some regional lenders have been ruled in and ruled out at various stages of this crisis. It probably just needs that big capital injection in order for it to continue operating. Even though it's trying to do this sale and it's weighing other strategic options, that probably won't be enough for the bank to continue. And it definitely feels like the sentiment has really deteriorated since it reported earnings yesterday. And, you know, this is a bank that has targeted the wealthy. And in its earnings yesterday, it unveiled some measures that would actually clip its wings in that business a little bit. So the bank is really facing a very bleak future unless it can get some sort of rescue deal.